The world of digital is exciting, and we hope that we've left you with some of this excitement from the presentations you've just heard. But digital is also here. The opportunity is real, and the basic principles you've heard today can be adopted by anyone in this room. If we do not act now, we will be left behind. Companies like 72Lux and IBM and applications like Mirror My Mirror are doing this today.
The Mirror My Mirror app analyzes images that customers take of themselves to identify skin tone and facial structure. It then uses this information to provide highly targeted product recommendations. Use of unstructured information such as this is an exception today, but it will be a standard tomorrow.
Dynamic and responsive marketing assets that adjust to something as simple as a consumer's clothing color is already being used outside the beauty industry. Technology such as this enables real-time marketing optimization that consumers are not only coming to expect, but demand.
72Lux is a technology startup that allows any content publisher to aggregate products from multiple retailers and sell them directly on their site. The backend solution is simple to implement and gives anyone the opportunity to monetize their posts. If broadly implemented, it could create 1 million new points of sale for every brand and retailer.
The videos have shown that analytics, marketing, and commerce have already entered the age of digital. The pace at which things are changing is unprecedented, and it will only continue to accelerate. So tonight, we would like to leave you with some of our key takeaways for success. The Internet of People and the Internet of Things are generating a tsunami of digital data. Digital analytics can be used to uncover the actionable information that's buried in this data. This information can be used to optimize execution and to develop informed strategies, leading to both growth and profitability. So what can you do to embrace analytics today? Ironically, even in an analytics-driven world, much of our success will continue to hinge on having the right people to ask the right questions: data analysts and data scientists. These profiles are already scarce, and they will only be more in demand moving forward. So we must start today to recruit, develop, or acquire data analysts and data scientists. We should also embrace analytics today by engaging in dialogue with our customers to build a strong, direct relationship. This means learning to listen. We must use the trail of digital data that our customers leave to understand them better. Then, by offering them value and confidentiality, we will be able to become more relevant and build stronger and trusted relationships, which should also help us overcome privacy concerns, which remains the #1 reason that non-users still avoid the internet.
Trusted relationship with consumers today means maintaining and embracing an intimate relationship, something that is made possible by data. Data that informs us of who these consumers are, what they like, what they want, and the technology that allows us to deliver it when they want it. So what can you do today to embrace digital marketing? In today's human-centric world, we must shift from big bets to micro-marketing campaigns. Campaigns made a reality through intimate insights generated through micro-targeting, dynamic conversations through micro-engagement, and the result, humanized brands that consumers both want and love. If you want your consumers to love your brand, you need to embrace one-to-one marketing. You need to embrace reactive media that allows for real-time marketing optimization. If a computer company like IBM can create the illusion of personalization with their marketing, the beauty industry can too. And to make the use of this new media effective, you need to embrace the new metrics associated with return on learning. Constant ideation, iteration, and optimization from real-time feedback will increase individual consumer lifetime value to your brand. The new ROI is ROL.
Brick and mortar and online can't continue to exist as two separate commercial environments. In the new infinite commerce model, technology will continue to bridge the two and create incremental sales opportunities. As a result, the channel divide between mass and prestige, online and offline, is going to fade. The now consumer will want the freedom to purchase anywhere. By capitalizing on this need, you can create a new shopping network where consumers are both brand advocates and affiliates, and brands and retailers have endless opportunity to sell their product. So what do you need to do to start on this new commerce journey? To begin, you have to provide her with helpful information at every touch point. The content has to be rich and easily accessible on all of her devices. But to truly enable the sale anywhere, you have to partner with leaders in technology like Google, YouTube, Shazam, and Yahoo. It is through their expertise that you can facilitate the sale of the product across any medium. Finally, the new shopping network will provide you with a great opportunity of growth. To capitalize on this channel, you will have to invest in back-end infrastructure that can fulfill orders coming from any medium. You could do this on your own, but we recommend that instead, you create strategic partnerships with mega e-tailers like Amazon and eBay. They are here to stay and already have a sophisticated infrastructure that can provide you with a competitive advantage.
We need to adopt a new data-centric organization with a dedicated data function at its core. This function will be focused on bridging the gap between the data, associated technologies, and all other departments within the organization. It will have access to internal and external data sets and will build a data architecture, making data more accessible and less paralyzing.
A true data-centric organization is empowered by a marketing hub that both understands and actions data. A team of marketing experts that use consumer understanding to craft micro-marketing campaigns. A micro-targeting data analytics wizard, a micro-engagement content publisher, and a micro-marketing brand owner who work together to create integrated dynamic communication. And a marketing culture with rapid, reactive management that allows for real-time marketing optimization.
Beauty on demand will require leveraging technology and infrastructure that may not be your core capability. Strategic partnerships and open sourcing are concepts that our industry is not comfortable with, but to move ahead, you need to embrace them. The winning formula will require a culture of agility and management that is comfortable with quick decision-making. If we leave you with only one thing tonight, I hope it is that we have to change. It is the only way that we can collectively evolve our industry. Welcome to Beauty in a Digital World.